After 50, the worst thing you can do is keep training the way you always have. More reps wreck your joints, more weight fast tracks injury, and more cardio, it eats the muscle you're killing yourself to keep. Shaolin monks never trained that way. They do 2 holds, no equipment, no punishment. And what they do to your body, nothing in Western fitness even comes close. The first one is the hollow body hold. After 50, core strength isn't about looking good, it's about whether your spine can still protect you. There are small muscles deep in your spine that are supposed to fire every time you move, but years of sitting shut them down. The hollow body hold wakes them back up in a way no crunch or plank ever could. Here's how you do it. Lie on your back. Press your lower back flat into the floor. Lift your legs and shoulders just a couple inches. Hold for 60 seconds. When you start shaking, stay there. That's those muscles coming back online. The second one is the wall sit. Your knees aren't hurting because you're old. They're hurting because everything around them has been ignored. The tissue around your knee needs regular work to stay strong. Skip that and it weakens, thins out, and a joint built to last a lifetime starts feeling every single step. The wall sit targets that tissue directly, and most people have never done it right. Back flat against the wall, feet out. Slide down until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Hold for 60 seconds. Every second you hold that, you're building the knees that keep you hiking, traveling, and on the floor with your grandkids well into your 80s. 2 holds, 2 minutes, every morning. Hollow body hold, 60 seconds. Wall sit, 60 seconds. And don't forget to subscribe.